14, f equal to 15 respectively. Example, hexadecimal to decimal conversion is done as 2f316. Here, as you know that base of the hexadecimal number system is 16, so we multiply each digit by 16. So 2 into 16, then f into 16, then 3 into 16. As I said earlier, f is a value for the 15, so that is why in place of the f we can write the 15. So next you have seen that 2 into 60 power 2 into 16 plus 15 into 16, then 3 into 16. Then write the power from right side 0 to infinity. 0, 1, 2. So 2 into 16 power 2, then 15 into 16 power 1, then 3 into 16 power 0. Like this way it is going on. Now 16 is square 256, then 16 power 1 16, then 16 power 0 1. Then 2 into 256 512, 15 into 16 214, then 3 into 3, then 755. So we can write 755 decimal number as 2f316. Conversion of decimal number into binary number. In order to convert any decimal number into binary equivalent, we divide the number by 2. Binary system is based on two numbers, 0 and 1. We keep on dividing the number by 2 till we get 1 as a quotient. Then starting from the last remainder, we write all the remainder from left to right to the get the binary equivalent number. Look here, one example here given, 79. It is a decimal number, we have to convert into binary number. How can we convert? So first we can divide 79 by 2. So what is the quotient will come? Quotient will come 39. A remainder will come 1. Then again 39 we divide by 2, then quotient will come 19, then remainder again coming 1. Now 19 will divide by 2, then remainder will coming 1 and quotient will come 9. Then 9 will divide by 2, then remainder come 1 and quotient will come 4. Same way now 4 will divide by 2, then remainder is 0, then quotient is 2. Then 2 is divided by 2, then remainder is 0, that and quotient is 1. Once the quotient is 1, so as I said there, when quotient will come 1, then stop. So now from the left to right you can write. It means that bottom one write on the right side, left side. 1 0 0, then 1 1 1 1. Clear? Like this way you can write. So this is the way you can convert. Convert 42 into equivalent binary number. So same way you can convert 42 also. Here conversion of 31 decimal base into binary base. Now conversion of binary number into decimal number system. How do you convert binary number into decimal number system? Binary number can also be converted into decimal number system in the following manner. Starting from the rightmost digit, the positive value of each digit is given below. Suppose they are written 1 1 0 0 1. This is a binary number. How can we convert it into decimal number? So as I said that all the digits multiply by 2, because this is the binary number. So as you know that base of the binary number system is 2. So all the digits multiply by 2. And from the right side you write the power. 0 1 2 3 4. Like this way. Look here. 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. So now the value 2 power 0, that is 1. So answer will coming first 1. Then 2 power 1 2 into 0 0. Then 2 power 2 4 into 0 0. Then 1 into 2 power 3, then 8. 1 into 2 power 4, then 16. Like total coming 25. When we sum it, 25. Like this way we can convert. Binary arithmetic. This section define the addition, subtraction, division, multiplication of binary integer. Binary addition. This is the rule for the binary addition. 0 plus 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with carry of 1. So please note that the last sum 1 plus 1 equal to 0 with carry of 1. One example here given, look here, 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. As here given 1 1 1 1 0, then 1 0 1, then 0 1 1 and 0 0 0. So look here, first here 1, then 0. The 1 0, what is written? 1 0 1. So you write 1. 0 1 also there 1, then write 1. Then 1 0 again coming, then write 1. So 0 1, then again coming 1. Then last written 1, then 1. So now it is coming. Okay. And here recheck here also. When you convert binary number to the decimal number 10101, then 21 coming. 1010, then 10 coming. So 21 plus 10, 31. Clear? So like this way it is clear. Now this binary number when you convert, then binary number will come in. So 1 into 1 into 2, 1 into 2, 1 into 2 like this way, then 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, then 31 will come in. It means that it is correct. Like this way you can do it. Addition. Now subtraction. How do we subtract? Rule for the subtraction are as 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, then 0 minus 1 1. If they are written 0 minus 1, so by borrowing 1 from left side, one data we can borrow from the left of the bigger number as done in the decimal number system. Look here, written 110 So what is coming here? 0 minus 1. By borrowing from 1 from left to the bigger number is done. 0 minus 1. Look, it will carry from the right side. What is coming? 1 1 0. What is coming? 1 1 0. 0 is there. After that, there again left. Then that will ask from that side. Then 1 1 0. And this is the way it will do. Subtract 11 from 100. As you know that binary number of 11 is 111, a binary number of 1100, 111 and 1100. Then subtract. Zero 1. That 0 1, what is coming? 1001. Binary multiplication. 1 into 1 1, 1 into 0 0, 0 into 1, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. Everything is the same as in ordinary decimal multiplication. Just like ordinary multiplication you can do, then answer will come. There is no extra rule. Binary, it is very much similar to the division of decimal number system. Just like that you can do, but you have to follow their rule of the decimal number. Then subtract also. After that you can do it. It is a various example given here. 1010 by 101. So when we divide, then quotient will come 10. Look here, 101 and 101. 1010 is the binary number of 10 and 101 is the binary number of 5. So 5 to the 10. So look here, what is decimal number coming? 2. When we convert to a decimal number to binary number, then coming 10. So it is correct.